India's oil consumption is expected to grow significantly over the next decade. The projection was made by Igor Sechin, the chief executive of Russian oil producer Rosneft. Speaking at the St. Petersburg International Economic Forum, Sechin said India's oil demand could rise by 44% by 2035. He said the country's oil consumption is projected to reach nearly 8 million barrels per day. This would make India one of the biggest contributors to global energy demand growth. According to Sechin, India will account for about half of the increase in global oil demand over the next 10 years. He said India's growing economy, expanding industries, and rising population are driving energy consumption across sectors. The Rosneft chief described India as a strategic partner and an important force in the global energy market. He said the country's influence on future energy trends will continue to grow. Sechin also highlighted the rapid increase in India's electricity consumption. He said electricity demand is expected to rise by around 80% by 2035. According to the projection, India's electricity use could reach nearly 3,000 terawatt hours. He noted that this figure is close to the current electricity consumption levels of the European Union. Sachin said India is expected to contribute around 15% of the growth in global electricity demand during the same period. The forecast reflects the country's increasing need for power as urbanization, industrial activity, and digital infrastructure continue to expand. India is already one of the world's fastest growing major economies. Its demand for energy has been rising steadily in recent years. Analysts believe that economic growth and infrastructure development will continue to fuel higher consumption of oil, gas, and electricity. However, Sachin also raised concerns about India's energy security. He warned that geopolitical tensions could create challenges for the country in the future. One of the key concerns is the Strait of Hormuz. The strategic waterway is a crucial route for global oil shipments. A significant share of the world's crude oil passes through the strait every day. Any disruption in the region could affect energy supplies and increase global oil prices. Sechin said tensions around the Strait of Hormuz, along with wider geopolitical conflicts, could pose risk to India's energy requirements. He noted that India remains heavily dependent on imported energy resources. As demand continues to rise, the country's dependence on international supply chains is also expected to increase. This could expose India to global market fluctuations and supply disruptions. Despite these concerns, Sechin said India holds a unique position in the global oil market. He said the country's growing demand will remain one of the most important factors shaping global energy consumption in the years ahead. Stay tuned with us for more updates. Do like, comment, share, and subscribe the channel.